What's up, guys? We are at Lilacia Park.
Oh my god, me and my friends went swimming in there once.
Whoa!
We took a dip. We took a dip in there, you know.
Butt booty naked.
We took a dip in here. Yeah.
It's so windy.
Yeah, it's good. That looks absolutely horrid.
Oh, they're doing a pregnancy photo shoot.
Smash, smash!
Oh my god! Country concert. And Emily Hogan was there.
Emily Hogan.
Emily Hogan.
Can you believe it?
Can you believe she was here?
Oh my god, you could see it from here! But its cock and balls are very tiny.
Oh.
It has a tiny cock and balls.
Oh.
Like it's like the picture of Stefan's what it saw.
Oh.
Pop up a picture of it on the wall.
No!
You can see it!
You can see it. Are you gonna go? Oh, oh.
Yeehaw!
What?
Ouch! Ow.
What the heck? Are you okay?
What just happened?
I just dropped a stone onto my
Too much
foot.
stuff is happening.
No.
Ow!
Look how giant this leaf is.
Imagine.
As big as my foot.
Wow. Jack loves me not. Jack loves me.
Dang, I didn't record any of that.
I just reached the leaf. And Jake was like, no, man, no!
Their parents are down here. Oh. No.
They just got to witness the hype dance. Can we just slide Sacred Heart?
Imagine.
You guys like tried.
Wait, guys, why do we go off path? Is that it? We're done. Maybe. I feel like you're not going to be able to hear us because of the wind. It's quite windy.
Holy shit! It just cut my neck.
Oh no!
Get some random like 7th graders.
Oh!
Wait.
People, it's cold! Oh my goodness! I feel like SpongeBob in that one episode.
Rusty Cray,
Yeah. Hi. Wait, there's a car here, guys, watching us.
That was our rule on the playground.
Oh.
Like you didn't duck. Just everyone after the train is gone, we'll just start beating each other.
Can we climb this?
No. And like, why?
We'll hop on the train.
He's not. Oh. Ah! Oh.
Damn, that was cool. Go ahead, Wayne for me.
Real nice.
I did like an
Sweet.
explosion behind us.
Yeah.
First one, so cars get. No, no. Why nobody races to a car?
Ow.
Last one, so cars get. Oh my god.
You transformed that quick?
I lost. No.
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 Connected. Opioid.
You really look like a. Oh my god, we're all thugs.
I'm a thug. Do you really want to party with the demons?
That was tough.
So tough.
Thumbs up.
What's up?
Thumbs up.
That's so festive.
Leave in the
fall.
comments what the move is.
You wanna
Yep.
go into that tree?
No.
Let's just go. I fuck with 5:30 though. I fuck with the
I
mumbling
do.
part.
Bitch, go listen to Drake, bitch.
Yeah, that's my favorite part. I swear that
Go
much.
listen to Kodak Black, bitch.
No, he doesn't say
Why can't I put it in my high school blog, bro?
Like, yeah,
It's never that serious, bro.
exactly. Do this cash out.
All I do is crash out. We're gonna be listening to Kid Cudi for a solid 4
Should we go to the hood?
We can't
Oh yeah, I should go to Old Black and be like, happy fall. We're in their attire.
They're tired. You're so racist.
Look at that little kid.
Little kid, where?
What's with that?
Little boy.
Oh, little boy.
Candy.
Whoa!
We made it, vlog. We're at a
disappointed.
festival.
But yeah, we're at
There's a
a
lot of
fall
people here.
pumpkin festival.
Wait, there's a carnival?
Go,
Go, go, go. That's so good job.
I need like a carnival. Turn the cameras off. Thank you. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Look at all the pumpkins. All the pumpkins. Look at the pumpkin house.
Should we go in there?
Did you see them? They just took a pumpkin.
Oh.
I wish the merchandise was free.
Donuts are $3. Look how beautiful it is.
That's actually quite a deal.
Nut house. Oh my god.
I don't think they know.
Oh, can we take a photo in the making memories frame?
Stefan should kiss him then.
Picture things. Oh. Actually, dang.
6 foot.
Guys, I don't know where we're going, but it's so...
Oh my god, I saw SpongeBob.
Where is he going?
I don't know.
Why is he going to a Jennifer house?
Why is he running to the... Oh, I see it. Little kid. Oh.
I know.
Are we allowed to buy? It's Kanye West! Oh my god, look at that fat pig.
I know, that's so sad. Like, look how it's playing. It doesn't even look.
No, that one is literally Kanye, the goat. This is so cute! I'm having fun watching you guys have fun.
Oh my god, that was crazy.
How dare you?
Yeah. He's taller. Am I taller this fall?
Oh, you're actually standing up straight.
What?
Look. If you put.
Look at all the pumpkins.
Oh.
Oh. What a hug.
Just like.
And I'm gonna give in to my urges.
Oh my god. No, he's eating a pumpkin.
That's the pillow. Are you guys gonna bounce? Final verdict. Too crazy. Are we departing now?
Yeah, since you're such a party pooper.
What do we? All right. What do we want to do?
Say Winnie. 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 Eeyore.
Can I get a picture?
Thank you guys. We're making root beer floats.
2 scoops.
Slide real quick.
Everybody's 2 scoops.
Contaminated root beer. That's a big scoop. Are you kidding me?
Did you see the scoop in yours? And like you use Kraft cheese too.
No. But what am I? I'm gonna go outside, and milk my cow, get the fucking milk.
No,
and
I
make
mean like
cheese.
you heavy whipping cream or buttermilk.
Make cheese
or
and heavy whipping cream.
and then you put it in the pie.
Who are you? Who are you?
Makes it creamy, does it not? We're gonna have dry ass fucking cheesy mess.
butter.
Like, look, it says buttermilk and cheese. That.
Your dad
Bro,
got food.
please.
You don't know a lot.